Hello and welcome to Architecture Informal. In today's topic, we are going to learn about current affairs in architecture, which is an important topic for NATA 2024 preparation. So let's get started. Riken Yamamoto wins 2024 Pritzker Architecture Prize. So this accolade, often dubbed the Nobel Prize for Architecture, recognizes Yamamoto's exceptional contributions to the field. His innovative designs have not only reshaped skylines but also inspired a new wave of architectural possibilities. At the core of Yamamoto's winning portfolio is a series of projects that seamlessly blend form and function. From avant-garde skyscrapers to sustainable urban planning, his work reflects a keen understanding of both aesthetics and practicality. Several award-winning projects showcase a commitment to sustainability, influencing the future of eco-friendly architecture. So this is about Yamamoto's win in 2024 Pritzker Prize Award. Next is World's Biggest Stadium, Architectural Innovation and Global Impact. The Narendra Modi Stadium is the biggest cricket stadium in the world and is one of the premier cricket stadiums of India located in Motera, Ahmedabad. The stadium is located near the banks of the Sabarmati River on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. The stadium is constructed in 1982 to flourish cricket talents in the province. It is the largest stadium in the world with a seating capacity of 2,20,000 people. It is owned by the Gujarat Cricket Association. Next is New Parliament Building. During the momentous 75th year of independence, Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, unveiled the Parliament Building, which is New Parliament Building. This architectural masterpiece was designed by architect Bimal Patel. It embodies the entire nation's rich culture, pride and spirit. The new building is triangular, which symbolizes sacred geometry in religions. It's designed to harmonious with the old Parliament building and will function as part of one complex as per architect Bimal Patel's vision. The new building is environmentally friendly and aims for a 30% reduction in electricity consumption compared to the old one. It features rainwater harvesting, water recycling and a space-efficient design with a lifespan of 150 years as per Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So this is about New Parliament Building. Next is Telangana unveils the world's first 3D printed temple. So world's first 3D printed temple unveiled in Telangana, showcasing the integration of technology and cultural preservation. Collaboration of artisans, architects and tech experts led to the successful execution of this innovative project. The temple's construction sets a new precedent for preserving heritage sites using contemporary techniques. This achievement emphasizes the potential of 3D printing in architectural conservation and restoration. Telangana's initiative highlights the importance of embracing technology to safeguard cultural heritage for future generations. Next is Atal Setu, India's longest sea bridge. The 6-lane Trans-Harbour Bridge is 21.8 km long with a 16.5 km sea link. Atal Setu shows India's infrastructure powers. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, that is MTHL, also known as the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Sevari Nhava Sheva Atal Setu. MTHL is expected to see the movement of more than 70,000 vehicles every day. So this was all about current affairs in architecture for NATA 2024. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to know more, please comment and share it with your friends. Please subscribe the channel, and if you are preparing for NATA 2024 or in general NATA preparation, so you can join our Telegram channel and it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.